Welcome you to the course. This is Dr. Zhu, and the very first thing what we are going to explore in this course is that why can't you use your mind, and where is your mind right now? So if I am asking these questions from you, the first thing I want you to notice is what are the interpretations you are having in your head? What are the thoughts you are getting in your head just by listening to what I say? Are you hearing, oh, what is she wearing? Black, white, red. So are you starting to saying something in your head? Is this anything judgmental is coming? Is this something else is coming in your head about the future that, oh, I just forgot to turn off the stove. Oh, I should have gone and do something else. Or, oh, let me do something else before I get back here. So is your mind is on something else always? Not just right now, but let's look at your mind where is during the day, when you work, when you exercise, or when you eat, when you get dressed. Are you focusing on basically at that particular present moment what you are doing? And one very good question I used to ask my clients is first that, do you remember when you put on your jeans and your pants, which leg do you put into your jeans first? Or how do you put your jeans on? So then you start thinking and said, I don't remember. Of course you don't remember, because when you get dressed, you are not there. You are somewhere else. You are already thinking about that your car should be started, or you should be catching the subway, or whatever that is. Your mind is somewhere else. So the very first thing in the very first session, what we want to do here is to recognize where is your mind. So the first thing is just catch yourself. Accept that your mind is wandering and it's always all over the place, but where is it going? What are the habitual thoughts where you are going on? Is it something related to the future? Is it something of a fear kind of things? Is it something in the past, something of a resentment, something of a negative things which is wearing you down, which is wearing you down and you cannot let go? So whatever that is, have a little exercise right now to look into where is your mind normally going. So this was our very first exercise. So please do this before get on to the next.